So, we're going to be putting the pilot bearing into the back of this crankshaft, and I'll show it to you. So this is our pilot bearing. This is the part number. So we're going to put this into here. So what you do is you get yourself a nice little socket that matches the size of your bearing. You take your bearing and you put it in there. Take your socket, put it in there just like that, and then you get yourself a nice hammer. You start tapping it in. As you can see, we're still flush with our bigger bore right here. So you just tap it until it's all the way in there.
Six and a half hours later.
Alright, so we ran into sort of an issue. I'm going to warn you guys that when you do this, you want to be super careful with the socket that you're using, because it may mess up your bearing. So anyways, I want to bring you closer in so you guys can see what's going on with this bearing and kind of show you why you have to be super careful with hammering in with the socket. I tried to use a rag also, and it didn't really help. It kind of just cut up the rag. So I'm gonna show you guys what's going on, and yeah, here we go. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that, but basically, if you look close, you can see that you could possibly get a little bit of a indentation. This is really bad because basically what's happening is the splines on the inside are being covered by the lip of the bearing now. So if you tried to insert your input shaft into this bearing, it wouldn't go in there. So we're kind of screwed now. And I'm gonna, in another video, I'll try to show you guys how to get this out. But yeah, this is kind of a hang up for us, which sucks. Well, I'm sorry guys that this kind of turned out pretty poorly. On the next video, I should have the tool to get this bearing out and try over again. I'm also gonna get a piece for the sprocket for the crank. I gotta get that old sprocket off and try to get that woodruff key to see if it'll fit on here. So again, sorry if this video is kind of boring or didn't have like, my god, dude. Hey, come on. Guys. Like I was saying, we're gonna try and do this again in the next video. Hey buddy. And so I'll see you guys on the next one.